Hi guys, this is Kevin.
And I'm Kim.
Here we are with another one of our KKOA campground overviews. Today we are at KRiver Campground in Moyers, Oklahoma. This is owned by Adam Sandoval. So he's a famous YouTuber, so that some of you may know him. So we decided to go visit his campground. So today we are going to do our overview. All right, as you go down Highway 2 from Moyers, Oklahoma, River Campground on the right. You'll see the van, Adam's van parked out front along with an American flag. So as we turn into the campground, they're open year-round. They have beer garden, tree houses, RV park, cabins, ATV trails, kayaks, and swimming. So as you come down the hill and come in, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to stop by and check in at the clubhouse. It says, all guests check in.
Stop. Get a life tile.
Stop, get a life tile. Here's the clubhouse that be on the left that you'll check in. The people here are really nice. The staff here is absolutely phenomenal. Very friendly. They check on you throughout the day to make sure that if you don't need anything. A little porch that if you want to just kind of hang out and sit outside under the clubhouse, you can sit outside in some rocking chairs and just enjoy the grounds. They have a fire pit that's up here. You can have a little patio if you want to cook out. They have all that available.
Why don't we go take a left?
Okay, so we'll take a left past the clubhouse.
There is a women's and men's bathhouse with nice, beautiful showers. These campsites behind the clubhouse, that's going to be 41. Then we have 42. 43. That one is 44. That open one is 45. And the last one is 46. And then they said beyond that, there's 10 sites, 71 through 75.
Where are the 10 sites located?
Right
ahead?
No, right there.
Oh.
I guess.
Every one of the sites have got fire rings, and I think there's a picnic table that goes in between the sites.
Okay, then there's like back here. This is the dog house. I'm trying to find this on the map.
Here they have a couple spots down here by the river. That's the KRiver. Yeah, this is spot number 2. See where that is on the map?
Yeah, right there. So that one with the bus was 1.
Okay, so that was 1. This is spot 2 down by the river.
That must be the beach.
Yeah.
Here, put that with the beach. Okay. Reason being is you can rent kayaks, and that's where you would take out.
Oh, okay. So you would take out there that 30. Is that one of the tent spots over on the right? Right here?
Yeah, right over there.
So that's all the tent. Those are some tent areas.
That's 30, 28, 27, 29, 26. And then there's cabins 1, 2, and that will be 3.
One thing that they said, the rates are really reasonable. They do Good Sam, Passport America. They also, if you're a military, you can stay here for free. So they honor it whether you're past, if you're a veteran or active duty, that you could stay here for free because they honor that for all military members. So that's a good little perk.
Campsite 27.
There's another 5. It looks like these over here are water and electric only spots.
That's going to be cabin number 4. And that one off to the left is the tree house.
Yeah, this is one of the tree house. They actually made these tree houses.
Right there is the main fire pit, and there's a smoker and pavilion, it says.
This is where they'll kind of have bands or have live music, or they'll have special events that they do that Adam Sandoval will put on to bring in. So you can check out online on the website when their event calendar.
Coming up to RV spots 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then around it is a lot of tent sites. So
these also look like just water and electric only.
So there's 7, 8, there's 9, and that looks like 10. They do have an ATV trail. There's supposed to be a pond.
There's the pond.
Okay. Lovely pond.
Looks like where the ducks hang out.
Mm-hmm.
Off here on the left this looks like
Tents.
That's more tent spots, and then
It's 11E.
14. Here's 14, 15, or 13, 11, 12, 13.
Which is in a
14.
circle.
Yeah, so if you're
Watch
coming
the
out,
tree.
if you're coming out with a group, you can come out here and
Just being all one big group, which is kind of cool. Okay. We'll add the map. It's kind of confusing. Okay, so then there's 10 spots off to the left, 11E through 15E.
so that's all those over there in the grass.
And then,
Another cabin.
where's that cabin? What number is that?
It's not showing on the map.
Okay.
It looks like a new cabin.
Yeah,
they
it looks
just
like.
built.
And there's one in front of us.
This is another new cabin.
What's the number? Keep going.
Number 5.
Number 5.
These things are kind of interesting. They're kind of like tents on a platform.
Yes, and that one's open.
Really? Somebody stayed in it.
It's on
Over
the
by
other
the
side of the pond. Yes.
Here you got a big fire pit. Looks like they got an outhouse in between them. Is that what that is?
Yep. Sure does.
There's an outhouse in between two tents. That's fascinating. Oh, they got like a bed and everything in the tent. Look at it. That's pretty cool.
And here's something fun that we've come across. Oh, mill.
Yeah, they got their own maintenance area and their own mill that they're actually cutting up their trees and making them into boards to help build. They're using the cedar logs.
So I guess those were 16 through 24.
Yeah, those are all 16 to 24.
Oh, okay. Okay. Keep going. All right. They have a volleyball net,
Volleyball pit, nice yard to hang out in,
a swing.
tire swing. They have, what else they have?
All right, I'll read it off the list.
Frisbee golf.
They have a beer garden. They have a petting zoo. They have a laundry room, free Wi-Fi, volleyball court, horseshoes, clubhouse with beer, snacks, and supplies, fishing and swimming, canoe and kayak rentals. They have gold panning. They have venue, stage, smoker pavilion, cornhole boards, public showers and restrooms, ATV natural trails, tubing, float trips, Scoot in America museum, full public kitchen, and RV dump station. So
They maintain this really well, and they keep it nice and clean. I'm really
so
impressed.
this is 48 through 61. So 48 right there at the end.
And these are all pull-through sites. Don't know if these are full-time or
Right.
lease spots, or these look to be all full hookup spots as well.
Yeah. There is a rooster that roams freely and likes to wake you up in the morning.
Yeah.
Or owned it for 4 years now. And he's put a lot of work into it. So I can imagine what future is going to look like.
Yeah. They're constantly adding to it. All those cabins and the tree houses, that's all new since Adam has taken over, done this campground. Yeah.
We're going to swing by and show you the petting zoo. This is behind the check-in center, the main office. And it's pretty nice inside. They have movies you can borrow. They have ice cream for sale. Check it out. And right there is the cute little petting zoo. And off to my right is the laundry room. It's kind of like...
They have Wi-Fi. It's really slow, but at least...
Thank you guys for watching our overview of KRiver. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.